As we focus on educational tools, we cannot overlook the importance of building empathy in students. That's why we developed an educational calm down kit to support social emotional learning in classrooms. This kit helps foster self awareness, empathy, and effective communication, which are crucial for developing students' social emotional skills. Dive into feelings like anger, happiness, fear, disgust, and sadness with our empathy tools. These resources create a safe space for students to understand and express their emotions, fostering self-awareness and effective communication. Our educational Calm Down Kit supports social emotional learning in classrooms, helping students develop crucial skills for emotional intelligence and interpersonal relationships. As part of our initiative to instill emotional intelligence, we designed these sensory puppets to prompt children to express and empathize, fostering vital communication, language development, and social skills. Along with a play rug for feeling roles, seats, toys, puzzles, and more, these tools help students embark on an exciting journey of emotional exploration. Create a safe and supportive environment where children can understand and express their emotions, enhancing self-awareness and effective communication. Here are some ideas to help you set up a successful calm down corner in your classroom to foster emotional intelligence growth. Equip this space with sensory tools, calming activities, and comfortable seating to provide a safe haven for students to manage their emotions, develop self-awareness, and practice effective communication. Through our educational items, you can also find other supportive gear we have created, such as cushions, curtains, banners, mugs, and posters. These items are designed to support and inspire a love for bilingual learning with themes like the solar system, multiplication tables, alphabets, numbers, and more. Supporting students is crucial, but it's equally important to support and appreciate teachers. To recognize your hard work and dedication, we have created a range of products specifically for teachers. These items are our way of saying thank you for the invaluable role you play in shaping the future. As we come to the end of this presentation, we hope our educational learning tools have made an impact. We want to take this opportunity to thank you for following our journey. Your support fuels our commitment to educational excellence. Thank you for welcoming us into your homes and classrooms. Thank you for doing the amazing work of helping children gain better skills. Together, let's weave and spread the threads of joy in learning. Remember, you can always explore and order our tools at www.vienthacreative.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, Bookshop, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and more. Just scan the QR codes with your phone to connect with us instantly. We invite you to share your moments with us and stay tuned for stories, inspiration, and more. Let's continue this journey together. See you there.